Welcome. Today we are looking at C.R.E. paper 1, revision 38. Let's start with the questions. 1a. Explain 7 reasons why the use of the Bible is central in the study of C.R.E. B. Explain effects of sin from the fall of human beings in Genesis chapter 3 verse 7 to 23. C. Explain factors hindering Christians to carry out effective evangelization in Kenya. 2a. Identify how Abraham demonstrated his acts of faith in God. B. What were the conditions given to the Israelites during the renewal of Sinai covenant? C. Explain 5 ways in which Christians keep their vows to serve God. Question 3a. Identify areas which show King Ahab as a failure in Israel. B. Explain the nature of the Canaanite religion. C. List the importance of the temple in Jerusalem to Israelites. Question 4a. Explain 4 ways in which prophetic messages were written down. B. Highlight teachings of Prophet Amos on remnant and restoration as found in Amos chapter 9 from verse 8 to 15. B. Highlight teachings of Prophet Amos on remnant and restoration. I have repeated. C. Give 5 ways in which the church is promoting social justice in Kenya today. Question 5a. Outline the problems faced by Prophet Nehemiah when rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem. B. State 7 reforms carried out by Nehemiah in Israel after the Babylonian exile. C. State 5 reasons why it is difficult to carry out political reforms in Kenya today. Question 6a. Explain 7 roles performed by ancestors in traditional African communities. B. State 7 importance of kingship ties in traditional African societies. C. Give 6 changes that have taken place in traditional African understanding of property. Question 1a answers reasons why use of the Bible is central in study of C.R.E. It's a library of books used by the learners as a reference book. It reveals God to learners. It is a source of knowledge. It is a source of Christian belief and practices. It helps learners to understand their relationship with God. It is a sacred book containing God's revelation to people. It is the true written word of God containing God's message to the people. It reveals how God spoke to the people through prophets. Sets standard for moral behavior. B. Effects of sin from the fall of human beings in Genesis chapter 3 from verse 7 to 23. Both Adam and Eve realized they were naked. They became ashamed. They hid from God. They started blaming each other. The serpent was cast. Enmity between the serpent and human beings developed. The woman was to experience pain in childbearing. The man was made to rule over the woman. The man was to toil in order to eat. The ground was made to produce weeds and thorns. Death was introduced in their lives. They were banished from the Garden of Eden. C. Factors hindering effective evangelization in Kenya. Inadequate resources, lack of security, lack of transport, family commitment, poor health, political interferences, leadership wrangles, church revelry, harsh weather conditions, lack of training. Question 2a. Abraham demonstrated his faith in God by abandoning idol worship to serve Yahweh the true God, by accepting to leave Haran to an unknown land, by building altars at Bethel and Shechem in honor of God, by accepting circumcision as a sign of the covenant, by sacrificing the animals in the covenant making, by accepting to change their names Abraham to Abraham, Sarai to Sarah, by agreeing to sacrifice his son Isaac, by worshipping God, by believing in the fulfillment of God's promises. 2b. Conditions given to the Israelites during the renewal of the Sinai covenant: to obey what God commanded, not to make treaties with those who lived in the land they were going, to destroy the altars of the Asherah, not to worship any other god, to keep the feast of unleavened bread, to rest on the seventh day, to rest on the Sabbath day, not to intermarry with foreigners, not to make idols, to offer to God the first of their crops, to dedicate all their firstborn male children and of their domestic animals to God. C. Ways in which Christians keep their vows to serve God: being prayerful, giving to the needy, reading the Bible every day, evangelizing to others, leading exemplary lives, keeping the 10 Commandments, visiting the sick, giving offering, worshiping God through songs and praises. Question 3a. Areas which show King Ahab as a failure in Israel: he married Jezebel, a foreign woman, which was contrary to the covenant laws. He allowed Jezebel to bring a great number of Baal gods to his kingdom. He killed a great number of Yahweh's prophets. He made the Israelites turn away from Yahweh and the covenant way of life. He ruled with the influence from the Phoenician culture. He made alliances with foreigners, which made him an ally with kings instead of depending on God. He violated the covenant law by ensuring the murder of Naboth in order to acquire his vineyard. He allowed his wife to bear false witness against Naboth, thus breaking the law of brotherhood. Thanks a lot for subscribing.